How to fix no internet connection on Roblox. If you're facing this error, then the first thing you want to do is completely close the Roblox app. For that, simply exit out of the application, then open up your app switcher. Now swipe it away from the recent apps. You want to turn on the flight mode for 15 seconds. After that, simply turn it off, reopen Roblox and see if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is check your date and time settings. For that, launch open your device settings. Now find general management from here, select date and time. Now make sure that it is set up correctly. Most phones have an option to set it automatically, which is recommended. Incorrect time settings can cause internet connection issues in many apps, including Roblox. If your issue is still not fixed, then you want to clear the Roblox app cache. For that, tap and hold on Roblox, tap on this info icon, which will take you to settings. Now tap storage, here select clear cache. You can also select clear data and tap on the delete option. Now launch open Roblox, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed and there is no issue with your internet, then what you can do is reset your network settings. For that, launch open your settings, then tap on the search icon. Here you want to search reset. Select reset. Now select reset network settings. Follow the on-screen prompts. It's going to reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and network connections. Once that is done, launch open Roblox and your issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.